Dell UltraSharp U4919DW 49-inch curved monitor review. Ultimate productivity upgrade. Feeling trapped in a cluttered workspace? Juggling spreadsheets, design apps, and browser windows across multiple monitors leaves you frustrated, overwhelmed, and constantly alt-tabbing. Wasted time, broken focus, and the struggle to keep everything visible can turn a productive day into chaos. You deserve a solution that replaces distractions with seamless efficiency and restores control over your workflow. Deadlines loom, projects pile up, and every misplaced window feels like a lost opportunity. Switching between dual monitors strains your neck and slows decision-making, while cluttered cables and inconsistent color accuracy add to daily stress. Each technical hiccup costs precious time and energy, creating a cycle of frustration that can make even simple tasks feel insurmountable. Enter the Dell UltraSharp U4919DW, a 49-inch curved monitor that revolutionizes productivity. With its 32:9 aspect ratio and 5120 by 1440 resolution, it delivers the equivalent of two 27-inch QHD screens without a bezel gap. The IPS panel offers 99% sRGB and 95% DCI P3 coverage, providing vibrant, consistent colors, while the 3800R curve immerses your view and reduces neck strain. Connectivity is seamless with USB-C, 90W PD, DisplayPort, HDMI, and USB 3.0, acting as a docking station for your laptop. Picture-by-picture and picture-in-picture modes let you display inputs from two computers simultaneously, and dual KVM functionality streamlines workflow. A software developer shared how switching to the U4919DW eliminated endless window shuffling. His IDE, terminals, and browser all fit perfectly, saving hours daily. Built-in dual speakers, ergonomic stand with height, tilt, swivel adjustments, and anti-glare coating ensure comfort and clarity. This monitor isn't just a display, it's a workspace transformation, turning chaos into focus and enabling you to accomplish more effortlessly. The U4919DW unlocks productivity like no other monitor. Its ultra-wide 32:9 curved display eliminates bezel interruptions, allowing you to immerse yourself fully in spreadsheets, dashboards, and creative projects. Industry analysts praise it as the ultimate dual monitor replacement, highlighting the efficiency gains and reduced neck strain. Influencers rave about its flawless USB-C connectivity, power, data, and network over one cable declutters desks instantly. Users echo these benefits. One business analyst shared, "I replaced two monitors, and my workflow instantly became smoother. KVM switching lets me control two computers seamlessly." Creative professionals appreciate the factory-calibrated IPS panel with 99% sRGB for accurate color-critical work. One designer noted, "The color consistency is incredible, making detailed projects far easier to manage." Casual gamers enjoy the immersive curve and crisp visuals, while remote workers find video calls, emails, and documents all visible at once. Features like PBP and PIP, dual speakers, and adjustable ergonomics enhance both comfort and versatility. Whether coding, designing, analyzing data, or running multiple apps simultaneously, the U4919DW transforms cluttered desktops into organized, efficient workstations. Its reliability, clarity, and expansive workspace keep users engaged, focused, and empowered to handle complex tasks without distraction or fatigue. Don't settle for dual monitor chaos. Secure your Dell U4919DW today and join thousands who've elevated their productivity. Customers rave about the ultra-wide real estate, precise colors, and seamless KVM functionality. Analysts and tech influencers highlight its workflow transforming capabilities and desk decluttering power. With limited stock available, now is the time to upgrade your workstation. Act now. Embrace the immersive 49-inch curve and experience unmatched efficiency and clarity that turns multitasking from stressful to effortless. Your perfect workspace awaits. Don't wait.